isn't always as it seems. Shiny walls that shimmer and sway, every hue stealing breaths away, bouncing gently through the day, hoping the wind won't lead astray. Pop goes the fragile line of hope, but we all keep sending bubbles to float. Catch a glimpse of a world remote in each mirror we carefully tote. Spinning fast in a glossy sphere, holding tight to what is near. Whispers fade, yet loud and clear. The bubble listens but can't adhere. Colors burst in a final embrace, scattered pieces leave no trace. Yet in the sky another takes place, the cycle of fragile dreams we chase.